Looking for a laptop na kaya mag-perform up to your expectation. Very powerful, big ang kanya display, and quite light for traveling purpose. Enter the all-new Huawei Matebook D16 2024. This laptop has everything na ina-expect mo sa kanya. 16-inch na full-view display with eye comfort, lightweight metallic body, Intel Core i9 na high-end na processor, 70 Watt-hour na long-lasting battery, and Huawei Metaline antenna for better Wi-Fi reception. Lahat yan nandito sa laptop na ito. And himay natin sa video nito everything that you should know about this laptop before you make the purchase. Tara, simulan natin. So bago natin unbox ang Huawei Matebook D16 2024, I would encourage you guys to subscribe to this channel for me to make more honest reviews like this one for you to enjoy. So ito ang box ng Huawei D16 na 2024 edition. It's the same brown box na nakita natin sa 2023 edition, and kudos to Huawei for always using mga recyclable materials to be environmental friendly. On the other side of the box, nandito ang kanyang mga specs which we will discuss along the way. Tara, buksan natin. Ang ganda ng kanyang packaging to make sure na hindi siya masisira along the way habang nagta-travel. We have your standard na 65 watts na charging brick, which is a little bit big this time around. But I still prefer mga charging brick na ganito kaliit, carry over from the 2023 edition. And pag nasira ang cable, all I need to do is just buy a Type-C to Type-C cable and magagamit ko siya ulit. And tanggalin natin sa box. Tanggalin natin mga packaging, no? 1 and 2. Huawei. And pagbukas natin ng laptop, andito ang kanyang protection. And what I like dito sa kanya is that you can open this up to 180 degrees. Straight line siya. And checking out some ports dito sa kanyang kaliwa, you have your Thunderbolt 4 port or your Type-C port. Dito ka nag-charge, no? Then USB Type-A, HDMI port, and your combo audio jack. On the other side, you have your USB Type-A port. That's the same amount of ports na meron din ng 2023 edition. And what I like dito sa kanyang keyboard, andyan pa rin ang kanyang numpad, which very useful for people who does a lot of number crunching just like me. And andyan ang kanyang calculator na shortcut button, which is useful for mga taong makwenta. Meron ako nabiling keyboard cover para sa 2023 edition. Saktong-sakto pa rin siya para sa 2024 edition. Ang kanyang power button also serves as your fingerprint scanner for added security. Yung kanyang trackpad is still large and quite generous, so extra room for yung mga gestures is definitely good. May several stickers siya dito, Huawei Share, Core i9 na sticker, and of course your Intel Iris na graphics. And sa ilalim, we have 2 na exhaust fan dito sa loob, and your 2 speakers is hidden here and here. And meron siyang authentic na Windows 11 sticker dito. And one thing that I like dito sa laptop na ito is sobrang gaan niya. It's just 1.68 kilograms, which I think isa sa mga pinakamagaan na laptop na nahawakan ko with a big screen. So carrying this around during travel is definitely no problem. Now itong laptop na ito has a 16-inch na golden ratio na full view display. 16:10 ang kanyang aspect ratio, which is better than yung traditional 16:9. Sobrang nipis ng kanyang bezel dito sa gilid, only just 4.6 millimeters, which contributes to 90% na screen-to-body ratio dito sa kanyang screen. Meron din siyang 100% na sRGB wide color gamut. Ang kanyang resolution is 1920 by 1200. Ang kanyang maximum brightness is 300 nits. And meron din siyang matte screen to make sure na less glare and better eye protection. And did you know guys na meron siyang TUV Rainland certificate for low blue light and flicker-free na screen? Goods na goods yan, especially when you're the type of person na babad sa computer sa kanyang trabaho. Ang dami kong ginawa dito sa laptop na ito. Nanood ako ng mga videos dito, sa YouTube, sa Netflix. It's really enjoyable. Ang ganda ng kanyang screen and I would say na sobrang ganda ng kanyang colors. And I did watch some dark videos dito, yung mga bright videos. Everything is quite good. And quite punchy din naman ang kanyang colors dito sa screen na ito. So be it watching animes, K-pop, or dark movies dito, or even basketball game, this is definitely good. And tinay naman natin kanyang loudspeaker dito, listening to some music on Spotify, it was really good. But kung gusto mo ng more immersive experience listening to music dito sa laptop na ito, I could recommend the Huawei Free Clip for better music experience. Immersive na immersive to. Iyong-iyo ang music. Full review pretty soon. Nag-try din ako mag-edit some videos dito sa Adobe Premiere Pro. It was good. And ang kanyang export speed is faster than my 2023 edition na D16. Now, all of the things na gusto ko dito sa kanya is quite thin. Pag sinara mo tong laptop na ito, it is only just 17 millimeters. Very thin yan, di ba? And kabuuan tong laptop na ito is just 1.68 kilogram. Itong laptop ito mas magaan pa sa Asus VivoBook na 16. Now, itong laptop ito sports a new na 13th gen na Intel Core H series na processor. Nasa loob nito is a i9 na 13900H. It's definitely powerful kasi pag boot up pa lang, alam mo na. Sinamahan pa siya ng Intel Iris Xe na graphics, making it a lot smoother kung nag-edit ng mga videos and photos. And here are some benchmark na nakuha ko sa 3D Mark. And it can even play some games like si Counter-Strike 2. Pag nag-gaming ka, don't forget to press FN+P to give you the performance mode. Or you call it the performance boost mode. Now, one of the things na gustong-gusto ko rin sa kanya is ang lakas na sumagap ng Wi-Fi. Thanks to the Huawei Metaline antenna dito sa loob, the signal reception is quite better than any other laptops na na-try ko. It's a technology patented by Huawei. Now, another thing na gusto ko rin dito sa kanya is malaki ang kanyang battery. 70 watt-hours ang battery nito, which can give you around mga 15 hours of video playback dito sa laptop na ito. But of course, if you're gaming or you're doing some heavy tasks sa Premiere Pro, the battery life would be a little bit more lesser compared to 15 hours. So personally, tinry ko siya mag-video playback on this laptop and setting it to 50% brightness. I was able to get a 14 hours and 50 minutes na screen on time dito sa laptop na ito. Now, if you're a Huawei user like me, meron akong P60 Pro. Life is a lot easier with the Matebook D16. Dahil this one is equipped with the super device, interconnecting between your laptop and your phone is very easy and seamless. So I don't have to go through yung traditional na magkoconnect pa ako ng USB cable dito sa aking laptop. All I need to do is just connect it via super device. Transferring to and from my phone is very easy. Pwede rin ako magtrabaho sa aking phone using my laptop. Now, itong laptop na ito is equipped with a soundproof voice to cancel yung mga background noise, which is perfect for video conferencing. So try lang natin ang kanyang web camera plus ang kanyang microphone. So right now guys, nagre-record tayo using the Huawei Matebook D16 2024 edition and using its default web camera and default microphone. Sabi niya, there's a noise cancellation dito sa laptop na ito. Anong tingin nyo sa kanyang noise cancelling? Okay ba siya? I would say na pretty decent ang web camera niya for any web conferencing. So guys, what do I think of the Huawei D16 2024? For me, I'm a user ng D16 2023 edition and this one has greatly improved over sa older na generation. Better processor, better ang kanyang web camera. I think yung kanyang AI na noise cancelling is a lot better. And I can say na parang mas better ang Wi-Fi reception nito compared sa kanyang 2023 edition. But what's important sa akin dito is way better ang kanyang processing power dito. And if you have some accessories from the 2023 edition, you can carry it over dito sa 2024 edition. So ang official price nitong laptop na ito, si Huawei D16 2024 edition, I'll be posting everything on the description box below kung saan siya pwede mabili. And para sa ibang specs na gusto nyo malaman, the official product page would be also on the description box below. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like and of course subscribe to this channel for more educational videos just like this one. I'll see you on the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.